Subtracting mixed numbers. And now today's math joke. Who invented fractions? Henry VIII. Today we're going to focus on subtracting mixed numbers. The Indiana Academic Standard is 7.2.1. We're going to continue to have to find common denominators when we subtract fractions or mixed numbers. Once you find and we're also going to change mixed numbers into improper fractions to begin the problem. We'll begin today with the example number 3 on this lesson that we didn't do last night. Subtracting with renaming. You bought 6 1/4 feet of rope and used 4 3/8 feet. How many feet of rope did you have left? So we're going to find 6 1/4 minus 4 3/8. We're going to work the problem off over here to the right. We have 6 1/4 minus 4 3/8. The first thing you need to do is to write both your mixed numbers as improper fractions. For the top fraction, we're going to take 4 times 6 plus 1. That would give us 25/4. For the bottom fraction, we're going to take 8 times 4 plus 3, which would give us 35/8. Now we have to find a common denominator of 4 and 8. Remember, start with the larger denominator, 8. Does 4 go into 8? Yes, it does. So that's our common denominator. So we're going to write an equivalent fraction of 25/4 so that it has a denominator of 8. We take 4 times 2 to get 8, so we're going to take 25 times 2, which gives us 50. We now have 50/8 minus 35/8, which is 15/8. That needs to then be rewritten as a mixed number. 8 goes into 15 one time with 7 left over. So our mixed number is 1 7/8. You have 1 7/8 feet of rope left. So the correct answer choice is C. If you need more time to copy down the notes, pause the video, finish up your notes, and then start it again. Don't forget to record a question if you have one. I will be checking that tomorrow in class. This problem is a fairly easy problem, and I don't know that you need to rewrite them as improper fractions to solve it. 5 1/2 minus 4 1/2. 1/2 minus 1/2 is nothing. 5 minus 4 is 1, so the solution to this problem is 1 whole. On problem number 2, we have 6 1/2 minus 2 1/5. In this particular problem, we are going to have to change them to improper fractions, and we're going to have common denominators. Let's start by changing 6 1/2 into an improper fraction. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So we end up with 13/2. 2 1/5 changed to an improper fraction. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So we have 13/2 minus 11/5. Now we need to find a common denominator. Can 2 go into 5? It can't. So list the next multiple of 5, which is 10. Can 2 go into 10? Absolutely, it can. So you're going to multiply the top fraction by 5 over 5, so 13 times 5 and 2 times 5. And you're going to multiply the bottom fraction by 2 over 2, so 11 times 2 and 5 times 2. Now we have a final problem of 65/10 minus 22/10. The solution to that is 43/10. Then you have to change it back into a mixed number. 10 goes into 43 4 whole times with 3 left over, so that's the numerator, and the denominator is 10. So our final answer is 4 3/10. If you need more time to copy down the notes, pause the video, finish up your notes, and then start it again.